To effectively work with Debank historical data, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved. Debank is a popular platform for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios and transactions. Historical data on Debank refers to the past records of transactions, balances, and other relevant information related to a user's or an address's cryptocurrency activities. First, it is crucial to understand how to access Debank historical data. This can typically be done through the Debank website or mobile application, where users can view their past transactions, portfolio history, and other relevant data. Users can also export this data for further analysis in spreadsheet software or other data analysis tools. When working with Debank historical data, it is important to verify the accuracy and integrity of the data. This can be done by cross-checking the data with other sources, such as blockchain explorers or exchange records. Additionally, users should ensure that their data is up to date, as outdated information can lead to incorrect conclusions or decisions. Best practices for working with Debank historical data include organizing and categorizing the data for easier analysis. This can involve using filters, tags, or other tools to separate different types of transactions or activities. It is also helpful to visualize the data using charts, graphs, or other visual aids, as this can make it easier to identify trends or patterns. Another key practice is to regularly review and update the data to ensure it remains accurate and relevant. This can involve setting reminders or notifications to check the data on a regular basis, or using automated tools to update the data periodically. In terms of practical examples, Debank historical data can be used to track investment performance over time, identify areas for improvement in a portfolio, or analyze spending habits and budgeting. For instance, a user can use Debank historical data to compare their portfolio's performance to the broader market, or to identify which assets have performed the best or worst over a given time period. By following these best practices and understanding the key concepts involved, users can get the most out of Debank historical data and make more informed decisions about their cryptocurrency activities. It is essential to approach the data with a critical eye, ensuring accuracy and integrity, and to use the data in a way that is organized, visual, and regularly updated.